Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with an Amazon haul. I think everything I have is from Amazon. But I'm actually back in California where I live. I recently visited for 2 weeks. My family, my sister lives in Tennessee, so I flew into Tennessee and then we drove their RV to Indiana for about 5 days. And we were with our families because it was my mother's memorial, and she's been gone for a year, and so it was really good to spend time with family. So it was just a really good trip. Can't say enough about it. And got together with cousins and aunts and uncles, and it was super fun. We saw a lot of people that we haven't seen in a long time as far as family. Saw friends. I got to see my kids. But first, let's see. I have an Amazon haul. I think I have one thing. Nope, that's from Amazon too. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to show you, if you like just the basic flip-flops, which I love to have them in every color. It's definitely in brown and definitely in black. I got these while I was on vacation because my sister has them in every color. But I know a lot of people, and especially me, the flat flip-flops hurt my feet because they have no arch support. Well, these are called ARCHIES, and you can see they have a good arch support. They are $40 a pair, but they're totally worth it for that arch support. And normally I wear an 8.5. I got an 8, and they fit perfectly. So these are called ARCHIES if you're looking for just regular basic flip-flops, but that have an arch support. So that was the first thing that I got. A couple things arrived either right before I left or while I was gone. One thing that arrived, and I can't remember if I put this in my last video or not, was the Versace Bright Crystal. It's a really lovely perfume. It is a little floral and fruity, and it's just a really good perfume. Now, when I was on Amazon, and I think I had $60 or $65 in gift cards. I found this for, first I found it for $105 because this is the 3-ounce bottle, so it's the big bottle. It was $105. I waited around with it in my cart a couple days, and it went down to $59.99. So I jumped on it. I ended up paying 65 cents for this Versace Bright Crystal perfume, just because I had so many gift cards. And if you're looking for ways to earn gift cards or money to your PayPal or things like that, just let me know and I'll do another video of how I do that, because I get quite a few gift cards each month. A lot of what I order is ordered with gift cards. So there is that. And then the next thing is my sister turned me on to this. This is made by COSRX, COSRX, and this is Advanced Snail Radiance Dual Essence. And what that mean is, it is, I guess they call it snail mucus. Is that what they call it? And first I was really grossed out, because this has triple snail complex and niacinamide. It enhances skin plumpness and will boost your skin's radiance. And my sister uses it religiously. There's a couple other products that I'm going to get that go with it. And her skin is, she's in the sun a lot, so her skin was very dry and kind of cracked and just rough. This has totally made her skin so soft and so radiant. So, and they do not kill the snails to get this. This is just the mucus from the snails. If you've seen a snail and it has that snail mucus, slimy stuff, that's what they bottle. And it's really good for your skin. It's actually all the rave right now. So, but you're supposed to use it when your skin is wet. So I just dampen my skin a little bit after I use my face wash, and then put this on, and then just let that dry and soak into your skin. And so I started using it today. We'll see how it goes. Some of these products, usually about $15 to $20 per product. There's about 3 or 4 products I want to use. This is the dual essence, so it has both snail mucus and niacinamide. So you only have to use 1 product instead of 2 because those are together. So there is that. Next, as you can see, I've started going back to the press-on nails. So I ordered a couple of them. I ordered these white ones, very inexpensive, and then I ordered a set of kind of a nude pink color, and then of course I got the Kiss medium length French manicure. And with that, I thought I would try this new glue. It's by Valitic. Everything I will link down below in the description too. And this is extra strength, easy removal, quick dry, nail glue and strengthener. It is for acrylic press-on nails. And so this strengthens your nail that is underneath the press-on nail. So I always, when I used the press-ons before, it just kind of tore my nails up that were underneath them. So I'm going with this to see how it works. You're supposed to coat both the nail and the tip, and then it dries like in 5 seconds. So there are those. I will link them down below. The next thing I got was this dye. It's a pumpkin dye with leaves, some little stems. So I picked that up. It was fairly cheap. Of course it came from Japan, so it took a little while, and it came while I was gone, so picked that up. And then I was out of A2 envelopes. If you know me, you know that I make a lot of cards, and usually I make them in the A2 size, which is about this size. My mother-in-law actually needed some A2 envelopes, and I gave her what I had, so I wanted to order some more and have them on hand for when I make more cards. And you get 100, and I think maybe they were $8.99. I'll link them down below. The next thing I got was Philosophy's Amazing Grace. I have the Philosophy Lemon Custard. It is a shampoo, bath, and shower gel, and it is so delicious. So I thought I would try the Amazing Grace. When I smell it, it's just very light, clean. All I can describe it as is a clean, fresh scent. It's not a fruity or floral or anything like that. It's just a clean, fresh scent. But I got the gift pack, so I got the 8 fluid ounces of the shampoo, bath, and shower gel in the Amazing Grace. And I also got the Amazing Grace whipped body cream. So I thought I would try those. And then a couple more things. I picked up some fun die cuts. These are made by Miss Kate, and I needed some for a swap. So here are the fun die cuts, all that you get here on the back. You get over 60 die cut. So I'm in a summer vibe swap, and then I saw a new fun pen. It is made by Tombow. It's the Monograph. It's 0.5, so it's a needle point gel pen, ballpoint pen. So I'll have to let you know how I like it. It does have the rubber grip, and it's very light, so I like that. But pick that up, and then if you know, Hobonichi released their like 2024 products for planners and such. And so I got this life book, which is the Hobonichi Techo 2024 with a Sunday start. I started using in August the Hobonichi Techo 2023, and just to see how I like it. It is perfect to carry in my purse. So I went ahead and got the 2024 so I can put it in my purse and write down any appointments that come up, because my doctors, I have to see them every 6 months, some of them every 4, but that way I can go ahead and schedule their appointments when I go out. So I think that is all for this haul. Anyways, I'm back. Hope to be doing videos again soon. But leave me a comment down below. What kind of packages have you been getting? I came home because I ordered, when I was getting ready to leave, I ordered from Amazon. Like, there's a special going on. If you order $60 in household cleaning products, toilet paper, paper plates, different things like that, household products, they give you a $15 credit. So you will get that after your stuff ships. So I've already got my $15 credit for spending $60 on toilet paper, paper towels, flushable wipes, baggies. I'm trying to think. Tissues. I'm trying to think everything we got so that it'll give you some idea of the products that you can actually do. And then there are several cleaning products that you can get. But if you order $60, then of those products, then you will get a $15 promotional credit. So when I came home, my house was full of boxes because I had ordered those things before I left. So, but that is my Amazon haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.